Welcome back to my channel. Today I will be doing a fried plantain chips video. Please like this video, comment, and subscribe, and I hope you guys like it. Bye. So first thing you need to do is you need to open up the bananas. So this is how you would do it. You would like cut small stripes, and then you would just afterwards you would just peel off those stripes, so it would be easier to get the skin off the banana. So now you would use any type of like grater you have, and you would use it to slice the bananas and make them thin like chips. So that's how you would do it. So when you fry it, it would become chips. So now, as you can see, they're thin and they're perfect for frying. So let's get to frying. And this is another clip of how it looks when you're finished grating them. So now what you would do, you would add in 2 cups of oil into a pot or pan, whatever you have, just comfortable enough to fry with them. Also have your heat at medium heat. So now you see the oil is frying and it's almost ready for you to put the bananas in, but I'm putting them in early just for the sake of time. Now that you see that it's super crunchy and it makes these nice crunchy sounds, this is a point where you would start taking them out. Well, that's it, guys. All you have to do now is put them into a bowl, add some salt, and that would be it. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Bye.